Have you ever thought about how the water in your shower or bathtub gets hot? No? Well, now's probably a good time to start. Water for your bath or shower might be heated by natural gas. What else do you think runs on natural gas in your home? Natural gas can help us cook meals, get clean, stay warm, and dry our clothes. But there's also a few things you need to know when natural gas is used in your home. First, never play near appliances. You might have seen a blue flame on your stove at home. That's how you know it's working correctly. If it's bright yellow or another color, it might mean the stove isn't working correctly, so be sure to let an adult know. And it doesn't happen often, but you should know how to tell if there's a gas leak in your house. You can't see natural gas. So to let people know if there's a leak, a certain smell has been added. Rotten eggs. If you smell rotten eggs, and no, I'm not talking about your little brother, tell an adult and leave your house quickly. Once everyone is out of the house, an adult should call 911 or your gas emergency number. And don't return to your home until the gas utility tells you it is safe. Think you got it? Do you now have a better idea of what natural gas does in your home and how to be safe around it? Congratulations! You are now a natural gas safety ambassador, helping to keep your family safe, even your little brother.